Hi friends, in Excel sheet, automatically how you will get highlighted the repeated numbers, repeated names, how we can do it. There is a simple technology is there. You can see over here, there it is, the name is repeated, so it is highlighted on a red color. So how you can do this one? I will show you this one. So in order to highlight that one, you can do in entire like that, you can select like that, or you can select in the top also here. So here if you just click, automatically it will select everything at one time. And you can go here on conditional formatting. Conditional formatting, go to highlight cells and rules. In here you can find out duplicate values. Click on that, highlight and duplicate values. So automatically you can see this, it is highlighted. You can choose the color, red color or light, green color, which color you like, if you want in green color, you can select on green color. So once it is, for example, I do some, here it is repeated. You can see over here, this 2 is repeated. That's why it is colored. So if I write something over here, the color is automatically vanish. You can see over here. Here, this is, both is repeated over here. You can see this is both repeated. So if I write here something 150 GM, enter. So automatically this both color is get vanished. So this is the formula which is available already with the Excel sheet. You can use this one in numbering as well. Of course, there is a numbers. Of course, there is a lot of numbers you can find out over here. If any numbers is repeating, you can find out over here. You can go here, duplicate values. So if you automatically red color is as default in the Excel sheet. So you can select this one. See, all the repeated numbers is highlighted over here. So this is the easiest way to highlight duplicate values. Thank you. Bye-bye.